Smoothies. The superhero of the nutrition world, swooping in to rescue your taste buds and fuel your body in a snap. Who wouldn't want a meal or snack that's as delightful as it is nutritious? Blend your way to health by tossing fruits, veggies, protein, and healthy fats into the mix. Vitamins and minerals, macronutrients, and fiber join forces to keep you in tip-top shape. But what's a smoothie without a trusty blender? Fret not, for we've scoured the market to find the 6 best blenders for smoothies. So, go ahead, embrace the smoothie life and get blending. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 6, Ninja SS101, our pick for best personal blender for smoothies. Introducing the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo, the perfect solution for those who can't seem to get their smoothie act together in the mornings. Designed for blending up individual size smoothies, this personal blender is the ultimate sidekick for your morning hustle. Who needs a big jar or multiple speed settings when you can whip up your smoothie in a jiffy? Let's not forget its adorable short motor base that'll make you want to store it on your counter rather than hide it in a cupboard. The 24-ounce personal jar's dynamic duo is ready to pulverize those pesky leafy greens and berries into a silky smooth concoction that'll rival even the mighty Vitamix 5200. And get this, you can drink your smoothie straight from the jar thanks to the matching spout lid. Talk about efficiency. But fair warning, this feisty blender isn't shy about making noise. If you prefer a more discreet smoothie sidekick, the Beast Health Blender is your hushed hero, crafting similarly fabulous concoctions without waking the neighbors. While it's only got one jar and not all parts are dishwasher safe, it boasts superior build quality and a sleek modern look that'll make you say, ooh la la. Number 5, Oster My Blend, our pick for best budget blender for smoothies. Introducing Oster's Budget Blender, your smoothie enthusiast sidekick that's ready to accompany you on your adventures, just as long as your luggage limit approves. New to the smoothie scene, this trusty companion is perfect for dipping your toes into the blend-tastic world without breaking the bank. This blender's got moves, doubling as a sports bottle to help you fuel your workouts with nutritional gusto. Sass, our smoothie guru, advises us for a pre-workout boost. Whip up a smoothie with veggies, fruit, and oat milk. Skip the protein and fat, or you might end up cramping your style during your workout. Trust us, your gut will thank you. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or the wattage in the blender. Our Oster Buddy isn't as powerful as some of its peers, but fear not, it's still a champ when it comes to blending softer fruits and veggies, so while it might struggle with that pesky kale, it'll crush those bananas like there's no tomorrow. In conclusion, Oster's Budget Blender is a compact, travel-friendly, and wallet-happy choice for those who want to live a smoothie life without the hefty price tag. Cheers to that! Number 4, Magic Bullet Blender, our pick for best with travel cups. Introducing the Magic Bullet Blender, the buttonless wonder that's as compact as your secret diary and has a 250-watt motor that could put a hamster on a wheel to shame. This pint-sized powerhouse comes with more accessories than a fashionista's closet, including 2 cups, 12-ounce and 22-ounce for when you're feeling extra thirsty, a bunch of travel lids and lip rings so you can sip in style, and a Stay Fresh lid. That's like a time capsule for your smoothie. With this blender, you'll be a smoothie operator, making it our top pick for the best blender with travel cups. Because who doesn't want to take their liquid love on the go? And the cherry on top, cleaning is a breeze. Every part is dishwasher safe. Except for the motorized base, of course. You don't want to electrocute a poor Mr. Dishwasher. The Magic Bullet Blender might be small, but it's mighty when it comes to blending, rivaling other personal blenders in functionality. Just attach the cup to the motorized base and, like a magician, push down to make blending magic happen. And if you try to pack it with too much goodness, the blender might go on strike. In that case, simply remove some ingredients and blend them in 2 batches. It's like portion control, but for your blender. Still searching for the perfect blenders for smoothies? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Ninja BL770. Our pick for best affordable blender for smoothies. Hey, smoothie lovers on a budget, gather around. If you're trying to save a few bucks while still blending up a storm, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is the Robin Hood of blenders. It's got your back and your wallet when it comes to creating deliciously smooth concoctions. This muscular little ninja comes with at least one 16-ounce personal jar, depending on the model you choose. Perfect for blending your leafy greens into submission, so you won't be flossing kale out of your teeth later. With to-go lids to match, you can transform these jars into travel cups and strut out the door, beverage in hand. Got an icy heart or just love frozen strawberries? This blender's a cold crushing machine, so no ice cube or frozen fruit is too tough for it to tackle. Sure, it's a bit slow and loud, but think of it as the blender that's always ready to party. With blending programs for single serves and smoothies, you can leave it to do its thing while you work on your dance moves or catch up on the latest gossip. So give the Ninja Mega Kitchen System a whirl and let the good times blend. Number 2, KitchenAid K400, our pick for best upper mid-range blender for smoothies. The KitchenAid K400 is like that thrifty friend who still manages to show up to the party looking fabulous. It's a more wallet-friendly option that gives the pricier options in the market a run for their money when it comes to blending your favorite smoothie ingredients, like fruits, leafy greens, and those pesky ice cubes that always seem to hide in the corners. Sure, it might not have the fancy schmancy build quality of the Vitamix, and its 1-year warranty is a bit like a short-lived summer fling. But hey, it can still whip up a kale smoothie like nobody's business, whether you're feeding a hungry horde or just satisfying your own smoothie cravings. Like that one relative who always buys gifts in bulk, the K400 comes with a single large capacity pitcher. But fear not, KitchenAid knows that size doesn't always matter, so they've got personal blending jars available separately for your on-the-go lifestyle. Now, no blender is perfect, and the K400 is no exception. It can be a bit of a drama queen when it comes to cleaning, especially with those sticky ingredients. You'll need to scrub its blades with the same vigor as you scrub those embarrassing high school memories from your mind. So, if you're looking for a blender that won't break the bank and can still get the job done with style, the KitchenAid K400 might just be your new blending bestie. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Vitamix E310, our pick for best overall blender for smoothies. Introducing the Vitamix, the magical do-it-all kitchen wizard. Seriously, it's like having a culinary superhero in your home. This bad boy will blend, puree, and grind ingredients like it's nobody's business. Want a silky smooth green smoothie? No problemo. How about a creamy soup? Done and done. Trust us, you'll be whipping up all kinds of tasty concoctions in no time. Now, let's talk power. The Vitamix is like the Hulk of blenders, with a 10-speed motor that can take on anything. The heavy-duty base stays put like an unmovable sumo wrestler, while the fuss-free controls make it a dream to use. In our kitchen appliances lab tests, this beast tackled coffee beans, milkshakes, and margaritas smoother than a pickup line from James Bond. Yes, it's an investment, but it's also more affordable than other Vitamix models. The only downside, the caraffe's a bit small, holding just 6 cups. But hey, good things come in small packages, right? Need something with a bit more room? Say hello to the Vitamix Ascent, the big brother of blenders. It's got the same superpowers for grinding nut butter and blending milkshakes, but with a massive 64-ounce jar. Perfect for those big batch smoothie parties you're always throwing. You'll love the touchscreen controls, the snug, fitting jar, and the easy-to-remove lid that'll make you feel like a kitchen ninja. So go ahead and give the Vitamix Ascent a whirl. You won't be disappointed. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best blenders for smoothies. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which blenders for smoothies you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.